Friends, get ready. We are going to make some super fun fireworks, Americana style. It's going to be great. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I had this idea of making fireworks, but make it like country and maybe have it up all year. So I have these arrows. I remove all of the jute. I have two of the big ones and one of the little short fat ones. I also have this wood star. All of this is from Dollar Tree. I paint the star white. This is a chalk paint that I'm using, and I only did one side. I know, right? I cheated. I know, it's fine. And then I did one of the long arrows in the same paint, the white. Let it dry. There they are. I'm going to let them dry. Then I have this blue full cart. It's like a navy blue paint, and I paint one of the longer arrows with that. We let that dry. Again, I only did one side. I was being lazy today. I don't care. So I also, this is a afterthought, this long sign. I decided that I needed to add something. I needed to be able to put my the arrows and the fireworks on something. So that's what this is. It was from, I think, Dollar Tree or Dollar General. It was $1. I think it was Dollar General, actually. But anyways, that little short arrow, we're going to paint red. And this is, again, I used chalk paint for this as well. I think the brand is Waverly. And let it dry. Once it dried, I distressed mine. Now, you don't have to do this. Don't get crazy. If you don't like it, don't do it. But, so all I'm doing for this distressing technique is I'm using a foam brush and I dip it in some antiquing wax, and then I'm just feathering it on the edges. It gives this super cool wood distressed kind of vibe. I am so there for it. I love it. But it's okay. If you don't like it, don't do that. It's fine. And I did it for all of those. Then I found this garland at Dollar Tree, and I had this really cool idea. I wrapped it around a dowel, and I did 3 pieces of each color. And we're going to add them to the back of the corresponding color arrow. Does that make sense? So I have 2. Now we're cutting another one. And then we're going to glue them back there. I wanted it to look like they were, like the rocket or the fireworks, like the trail of smoke or whatever. I don't know. When I saw it at Dollar Tree, this is the first thing I thought of. So I put a huge amount of hot glue on the back just to hold them together. Then I have a Jenga block, and you're going to do that for each of the arrows, okay? Then I have a Jenga block, and I add it to my that sign that we had. And I add my blue arrow with my little garland at the end. And then I add some more glue, and then I add my white arrow, also with garland at the end. Then I add another Jenga block, and then we're going to put our red arrow on top of that. Friends, that's how that was it, right? And of course, then I forgot that I didn't glue down the star. So I went back and glued that on. I just used the same hanger. I didn't even do anything on the back of this. I love it. I think it's so pretty. It is so fun. Could I have added more to it? Probably, but I don't know. I'm kind of jazzed about it. I like it. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.